How to start a real estate business with no money. Step-by-step guide. What if I told you that you can start a real estate business without investing any money at all? No property, no office, no big capital, yet you can still earn thousands every month. Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, many successful people in real estate started exactly like this. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start your real estate journey with zero investment and build a real income stream.
You can start in real estate with
Make
zero
sure you
money
watch till
down.
the end,
These symbols show
because
how
one
your money can
strategy I'll
grow into
share can
assets.
completely
Let's get
change your
started.
life. Introduction. Real estate is one of the most powerful industries when it comes to building wealth. Some of the richest people in the world have made their fortune through real estate. But most beginners think they need lakhs or even crores to get started. That belief stops them before they even try. The reality is very different. In today's world, you don't need money to start. You need knowledge, communication skills, and the ability to connect people. Real estate is not just about buying property, it's about solving problems and closing deals. In this video, I will guide you through practical and proven methods that you can use right now, even if you have zero money in your pocket. Step 1. Understand how real estate actually works. Before you try to make money, you need to understand how this business works. Real estate is not just about buying and selling houses. It's about connecting buyers and sellers, understanding property value, and making deals happen. You should start by learning the basics. What are residential and commercial properties? How do property deals happen? What documents are required? How does pricing work in your local area? You don't need to spend money to learn this. Use free resources like YouTube, Google, and blogs. Spend at least a week understanding the basics. This knowledge will give you confidence and help you avoid costly mistakes later. Step 2. Start as a middleman, real estate agent. The easiest and most common way to start without money is by becoming a middleman. You don't need to own any property. You simply connect a buyer with a seller and earn a commission. Here's how you can do it. Find people who want to sell their property. Find people who want to buy property. Connect them and help them close the deal. When the deal is successful, you earn a commission. Usually, this commission ranges from 1% to 3% of the total property value. For example, if a property is worth 30 lakh rupees and you earn just 1% commission, that's 30,000 rupees, and you didn't invest a single rupee. Step 3. Build your network. In real estate, your network is your biggest asset. The more people you know, the more opportunities you will get. Start connecting with local property owners, builders and developers, small brokers and agents, friends and relatives looking to buy or sell property. Talk to people daily. Let them know that you're working in real estate. Even if you don't get deals immediately, you're building connections that will help you later. Consistency in networking is what separates successful agents from beginners. Step 4. Use free platforms for marketing. You don't need money to promote properties. Today, there are many free platforms where you can find buyers and sellers. Use platforms like WhatsApp groups, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, OLX post, property photos, details, and contact information. Write simple and attractive descriptions like 2 BHK flat for sale in prime location at affordable price. When people contact you, talk to them professionally and understand their requirements. Then connect them with the right property owner. This method is simple but very powerful if you stay consistent. Step 5. Learn lead generation. Lead generation means finding people who are interested in buying or selling property. This is one of the most important skills in real estate. You can generate leads by posting regularly on social media, joining local property groups, talking to people in your area, collecting contact numbers of interested buyers. Once you have leads, your job becomes easier. You just need to match the right buyer with the right seller. The more leads you have, the more chances you have to close deals. Step 6. Build trust and reputation. Trust is everything in real estate. People are dealing with large amounts of money, so they only work with someone they trust. Always be honest with your clients. Don't make fake promises. Don't hide important details. If a property has a problem, tell the buyer clearly. When people trust you, they will recommend you to others. This is how your business grows without spending money. Remember, one happy client can bring you 5 more clients. Step 7. Start creating content. Long-term growth. If you want to grow faster, start creating content on platforms like YouTube or Instagram. You can make videos about property tours in way.